Hi, this is the Tecno Pova 5 Pro and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with the icon changer app on this device. So first we should get the icon changer app from the Play Store. That's why open the search pool and in the search pool enter the X icon changer. So now we should install this application. That's why tap the install button and we'll just wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app. And here you'll see all of the available network applications on your device, which icons you could change. So let's change the phone icon. For example, we could rename this icon here. Here we got change icon library with different folders with the icons, so we could use them, or to use photo from our device gallery, or just to use the camera app. Here we could select, let's find here one from the similar icons to the phone app. Okay, tap to OK on the right upper corner. Tap to add. We could change next icon by the same way, or to go to the desktop directly. So as you can see, this is our new phone icon and this is the default one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.